Here first we will discuss some formulas and then we will take problems based on those formulas. First formula is let ax1 comma y1 bx2 comma y2 and cx3 comma y3. Now area of triangle ABC is given by delta we denotes area. First formula is delta equal to 1/2 mod d, where d is the determinant given by x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1. And second important result, area is always positive, value of determinant may be negative, so we have taken modulus. So area of triangle ABC is given by delta equal to 1/2 modulus d, where d is the determinant given by x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1. Now we define A, B and C are collinear if D, that is determinant x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1 equal to 0. So this is the method to show that 3 points are collinear using determinants. There are so many methods. One distance formula, AB plus BC equal to AC. In such cases A, B and C are collinear. Another method is method of slope. If slope of line segment AB or line AB equal to slope of BC, then we can say that 3 points are collinear. And using determinant, if value of this determinant is 0, then we will say that these 3 points are collinear. And third formula is let A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2. Then Cartesian equation of line AB is given by determinant xy1 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 equal to 0. So this is the method to find Cartesian equation of line AB using determinant. So these are the three formulas. First one, to find area of triangle. This is the formula to find area. This is the formula to find area. This is the method to show 3 points are collinear, and this is to find method to find equation of line. So let us discuss problem based on these three formula. First example is find the area of the triangle with vertices at the point 1, 0, 6, 0 and 4, 3. Similarly, here first we solve this problem. Similarly, you can find area of different triangles with different vertices. So solution. So first we give names to the vertices. Let a1 comma 0, b6 comma 0 and c4 comma 3. The determinant related to triangle ABC is determinant D equal to according to x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So coordinates of A we will consider x1 y1, coordinates of B we will consider x2 y2 and coordinate of C we will consider as x3 y3. So using this determinant 1 0 1 6 0 1 4 3 1. Now in second column, since two entries are 0, so we will expand using second column and sign will affect this plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So this sign will affect, so minus 3 into 2 by 2 determinant. You leave the row and column in which that entry lies. Remaining will form 2 by 2 determinant. So 1 1 6 1. Now let us simplify this. So we have expanded determinant using second column. Method is leave the row and column in which that entry lies. Remaining will form 2 by 2 determinants. That will be a coefficient and sign is according to this one. So this is minus 3 into 1 minus 6. So this is 15 and therefore area of triangle ABC equal to 1/2 modulus of D, value of the determinant 15 by 2 square unit. So this is the area. Now second example. Show that the point A comma B plus C, B comma C plus A and C comma A plus B. These 3 points are collinear. So let us discuss solution. Now to prove that these 3 points are collinear, we use second formula. These 3 points are collinear if and only if value of this determinant equal to 0. So we will find value of D x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. x1 y1 coordinates of A we will consider x1 y1, coordinate of B we will consider as, and coordinates of C we will consider as x3 y3. So here D, determine D x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So this determinant a b plus c 1, coordinates of a b c plus a 1 c a plus b 1. Now if value of this determinant is 0, then we can say that these 3 points are collinear. So let us evaluate value of this determinant. First we perform C2 to C2 plus C1. So when we perform C2 to C2 plus C1, so each element of first column multiplied by 1 and add in the corresponding entries of second column. So first column as it is a b c, here a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c 1 1 1. Now taking a plus b plus c common, so when we take a plus b plus c common, here a b c 1 1 1 1 1. So symbolically let us denote this, taking a plus b plus c common from second column, so C2 to 1 upon a plus b plus c of C2. This is the symbol to denote taking a plus b plus c common from second column. And when we take a plus b plus c common, second and third columns are identical, so value of the determinant is 0. According to theorem, if any two row or columns are identical, value of the determinant is 0. So here a plus b plus c into 0, so value is 0, and so interpretation is, since value of the determinant d is 0, and therefore 3 points a, b and c are collinear. Since we have shown that value of the determinant is 0, and that's why these 3 points are collinear. Third example, find the value of k if area of triangle triangle is 4 square unit, and vertices are k, 0, 4, 0, 0, 2. So let us discuss solution. Now here we have to find value of unknown k. K is unknown. Vertices of triangles are given. We denote it by a, b and c respectively. Then we will find value of the determinants d related with triangle ABC, and area of triangle is given 4 square unit. We have to find unknown k. So this is the question. Vertices are given, area is also given, find unknown k. So this is the question. So now let us discuss solution. So first we give names to the vertices. Let a k, 0, b 4, 0 and c 0, 2. The determinant related to triangle ABC is D equal to, according to x1 y1 1, coordinates of A we will consider as x1 y1, x2 y2 1, coordinates of B we will consider x2 y2, x3 y3 1, coordinates of C we will consider x1 x3 y3. So K 0 1 4 0 1 0 2 1. Again you observe, since in second column two entries are 0, so we will expand using second column, and sign will affect this one, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So we have to give this sign for 2. So minus 2 into, again leave the row and column in which 2 lies, remaining will form 2 by 2 determinants, that will be the coefficient k 1 4 1. So now we simplify, this is minus 2 into k minus 4, or this can be written as minus 2k plus 8. Therefore value of the determinant D equal to, now area of triangle ABC is given by delta equal to 1/2 mod D, delta equal to 1/2 mod D. Area is, delta is area it is given 4 square unit. So 4 equal to 1/2, we have given area of the triangle 4 square unit. Value of the determinant minus 2k plus 8. So from this, taking cross multiplication, minus 2k plus 8 equal to 8. Now we use the property, when we remove the modulus, we have to take plus minus, mod x equal to a, then we know x equal to plus minus a, x equal to plus minus a. So if we use this property, then first we have to take plus, second time we will take minus. Therefore from this we will get two equation, minus 2k plus 8 equal to 8, or minus 2k plus 8 equal to minus 8. If we solve this one, minus 2k equal to minus 16, minus minus plus, so k equal to 8. So in this case value of the k equal to 8. Now in first possibility, minus 2k plus 8, so 8 cancel, so 2k equal to 0, and therefore k equal to 0. So this is another possibility, k equal to 0. So we have two possible answer, therefore k equal to 0 or k equal to 8. So either k equal to 0 or k equal to 8. Next example, find the equation of line joining the next example is find the equation of line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6. So we have to find Cartesian equation of line joining 2 points A1, we denote it respectively by A and B. So solution: let A1, 2 and B 3, 6. Now Cartesian equation of line AB according to third formula. We use this formula to find equation of line. So using this formula, let A1, 2 and B 3, 6. Now Cartesian equation of line AB, it is xy 1, x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1 equal to 0. So therefore determinant xy1 1 2 1 3 6 1. So now let us expand this to find equation of line AB. Therefore x into 2 1 6 1, we have expanded determinant using first row, y minus y into 1 1 3 1 plus 1 into 2 by 2 determinant 1 2 3 6 equal to 0. Now we simplify x into minus y into plus 1 into, further simplification is therefore minus 4x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0, or if we take minus common, here 1 2 3 6 1 2 3 6. So this is, here I have committed a mistake, sorry, this is my mistake. So let us correct it. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So this is minus 4x plus 2y equal to 0, or two y equal to 4x, or y equal to 2x. So this is the required Cartesian equation. Now next one is if area of triangle is 35 square unit, if area of triangle is 35 square unit with vertices 2, minus 6, 5, 4, 5 comma 2 comma minus 6 5 comma 4 2 comma minus 6 5 comma 4 and k comma 4. Then find the values of find the value of k. So let us discuss solution. So first we give name to the vertices. Let a 2 comma minus 6, b 5 comma 4 and c k comma 4. The determinant related to triangle ABC is D equal to, according to x1 y1 1, so 2 minus 6 1. Coordinates of x1 y1 we have taken coordinates of A as x1 y1, coordinates of B as x2 y2, coordinate of C as x3 y3. So 2 minus 6 1 5 4 1 k 4 1. So 2 minus 6 1 5 4 1 k 4 1. Now we simplify this one. Let us expand this determinant using first row. So 2 into 4 1 4 1, 2 into second element we have to take minus, so minus minus plus 6 into 5 1 k 1, minus minus plus 6 into, leave the row and column in which that entry lies, remaining entries will form 2 by 2 determinant, that is 5 1 k 1 plus 1 into 5 4 k 4. Now simplification is 2 into 4 minus 4 plus 6 into 5 minus k plus 1 into 20 minus 4k. Further simplification is, this term is 0, 30 minus 6k plus 20 minus 4k. So simplification is 50 minus 10k. So this is 50 minus 10k. Now area is given by delta equal to 1/2 mod d, but we have given area equal to 35 square unit. This is given 1/2. This is 50 minus 10k. So first we take cross multiplication. So mod 50 minus 10k 70. So from this we will get two equation as usual. When we remove the modulus, we have to take both the possibility plus minus. So 15 minus 10k equal to 70, or 50 minus 10k equal to minus 70. So from this transfer this term. So 10k equal to 50 minus 70. So minus 20. So from this we will get k equal to minus 2. This is one possibility, k equal to minus 2. Now we solve this equation. 70 plus 50. So 120 equal to 10k. Transfer this term. So k equal to 12. So possible values of k is either 12 or minus 2. Therefore k equal to minus 2 or k equal to 12. This is the answer. So next time we will discuss what is minor and cofactor and how to obtain adjoint. So in this lecture we have discussed these three properties and problems based on these three properties. So next time we will discuss minors, how to find minors and how to find cofactor.